Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of DXY, and DXY right now standing at 106.68 after the market opening. My dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video in the description that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff again and again. So DXY, as per our expectation, is not showing any craziness or volatility, so the market is still sideways. And as we all know that during the first half of Monday we do not see much volatility. Usually the market shows some good moves during the US session. So as long as market stays sideways, or you'll find market within this range of 107.50 and 106.20, DXY will remain sideways and Euro USD will remain sideways. But please watch the video if you have not watched the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro Dollar. Euro USD standing at 1.0203, and yes, as per our expectation, there is not much move and Euro USD also looks sideways. My dear friends, if you are looking for a fresh entry, then this is not the right position, because if you can observe, or if you just watch this particular portion of the market here, then you can see the market is right now standing in the middle. It means that if you take a buy position, then your stop loss will be here. If you take a sell position, your SL will be here. So the risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. So as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler, and a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. And right now the opportunity is not right. You will get the best opportunity only at the resistance or at the support, not in the middle. So if market comes down to the resistance 1.0275, okay, and if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling near the resistance, then you will get a confirmation that yes, Euro Dollar, Euro USD is about to remain sideways, and you can take a sell position and get the additional confirmation from DXY also. But in case if you see that there is a fall on DXY is going below 106.20, in that case market will break, Euro USD will break the resistance and it may go up, and you can consider a buy position as well. But yes, as I have already discussed in my previous video, that experts are of the opinion that due to the ongoing international scenario on euro, there may be some pressure on Euro Dollar, and Euro USD may soon come down to 1.0000. So please be careful and use proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And if Euro USD comes down, then definitely, considering it as a sideways market, seeing the present market condition here, we can take buy position at the support levels as well. 1.0150. This is the first support for the market. If Euro USD comes down to this level and bounces, then yes, definitely we can take a buy position as well. Okay, and in case during the US session it shows heavy selling pressure or fresh selling comes on Euro Dollar, then you can take sell position below this level as well. But this is subjective, because for a heavy selling pressure, market should break this level with good amount of volume. It means that if you find that market is breaking this level with big fat red candles, then only we'll get the confirmation that sellers are back in the game again, sellers are dominating the market again, and you can take a sell position. But as of now, market is sideways. Wait for the right time, right opportunity. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.